Hello Facebook, YouTube. We got here a 2009 GMC Sierra. You got a lift kit on there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it. We're replacing the front brakes, front rotors, the upper control arm right here, this guy right here. And we also replacing the back tire, not the back tires, the rear rotors and brake pads. Here's the parts, here's the pads, here's the rotor. He's got these rims on there, nice 24s. They're kind of heavy too. He's got these control arms, aftermarket control arms. He's got it somewhere online, I guess. And here's the other rotor. Here's the other tire. And here we go. We're replacing this guy too. This upper control arm, this rotor, and these shoes. These pads. We're replacing the power steering pump right here, and the hoses because they leaking. There's the power steering pump. We haven't done it yet, but we're about to do the bottom. The brakes and the rotors and the control arm. Then we're gonna do the power steering. We already did the back drums and shoes. Here's the old parts. Here's the old shoe. The old rotor. The old drum. Sorry, it's kind of late already. I'm kind of tired. Here's the other shoes and the drum. Here's the old parts. So we working on this at the customer house. Now it's kind of late, but we gotta get it done because we got some other works to do. So if you have a job like these or similar, give us a call to 832-618-7291 and set your appointment, and we can come to you and get all this done to it. It's not a too big job, it's not too small job. We can get all done. Thanks a lot.